Oath taking at role signing ceremony sa mga bagong abogado isinagawa ngayong araw. May mga report si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Yes, Bombo Genesis isigawa ngayong araw ng Katas-Tasang Cuba ang panunumpa at role signing ceremony ng mga bagong abogado. Sa seremonya, higit 5,000 nanumpa bilang mga bagong abogado at lingkod ng saligang batas. Pagsilaan na ginanapan ng drama at ambak ng Korte Suprema sa Philippine Arena, Laguna ng Bulacan. Alinsunod ang panunumpa at pagdagda ng mga ito para maging bahagi ng Philippine Bar sa matagumpay na pagkakapasya ng 5,572 bar exam nitong nakaraang 2025. Magunit ang naturang bilang ng mga pasado ay mula sa higit ng 11 nakakakumpleto o examinees noong buwan ng Setyembre sa taong 2025. Patumbas ito ng halos kalahati ng kabuuan sa passing rate na 48.8% ng mga bar passers sa naganap na bar examinations. Sa pahayag naman ni Associate Justice Ami Lazaro Javier, ang chairperson ng 2025 bar examinations, ibinahagi nitong 22 sa mga nakapasa ang bigong makadalo ng pisikal ngayong araw. Ayon na yan, ating pahagyan ang kanya naging mensahe.
The reason we are all gathered here today at the Philippine Arena, the 5,572 successful examinees of the 2025 bar examinations. There are 22 others who could not make it today. The very, very important persons in your lives, their families, your friends, your loved ones, and your significant others.
Dagdag pa niya. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay pinahintulutan na makasama o makatabi sa upuan ng manunumpa o inductees ang kanilang mahal sa buhay. Ayon kay Bar Ma'am Associate Justice Lazaro Javier, ngayon lamang ito nangyari kung kaya't kinakailangan nilang isagawa ang seremonya sa isa sa mga pinakamalaking venue o arena. Muli si Associate Justice Ami Lazaro Javier, ang chairperson ng 2025 bar examinations.
As it is, if not more, of these people with you today. You know, today is a historical day. It is the first time in the history of oath-taking ceremonies that the inductees and their families, friends and loved ones were allowed to sit beside each other, all together in one venue. And the very reason we had to book the biggest venue ever, the Philippine Arena, for your oath-taking ceremony today. This was the idea of our beloved Chief Justice Alexander Jesmundo.
Habang sa panunumpa ng mga bagong abogado, kanyang binigyan pagkilala ang mga ito at masayang binati sa kanilang pagdalo ngayong araw. Mensahe niya na kung nais nilang maging mabuting abogado, nararapat lamang na itakwil ang ideya na espesyal ang kanilang ang pagiging abogado o hinimok na ang kababaang loob. Muli si Associate Justice Ami Lazaro Javier, ang chairperson ng 2025 bar examinations.
Interpret and implement it. It will only be as good as the people that fight for it and die for it. So, if we want to be good lawyers, let us always choose to be good. Let us always be good. We must reject the idea that our newly acquired title has made us special. Lawyers are not special. To borrow the words of Justice Rosario, as servants of the law, you must keep your feet firmly planted on the ground, for it is then that you will get to enjoy the profession more and appreciate the legal system better and find your work more rewarding.
Nag-uulat live para sa Bombo Network News. Ito si Bombo Gran Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.